I don't think people understand the impact a clean home can have on their lives. Let's change that today. Imagine coming home to a spotless living room, a sparkling kitchen, and a pristine bathroom without lifting a finger. That's the magic of our general cleaning services. Our expert team tackles everyday dirt and grime so you don't have to. Think of all the extra hours you'd gain to spend with family, pursue hobbies, or simply relax. Sounds amazing, right? But wait, there's more. We also specialize in deep and specialized cleaning services. Got stubborn stains, allergens, or pet hair? No problem. We dig deep into carpets, upholstery, and corners you never even knew existed. And let's not forget those special occasions. Hosting a party, preparing for the holidays. Our specialized cleaning services ensure your home is in tip-top shape for any event. Why choose us? Simple. Trust and reliability. Our trained professionals use eco-friendly products and advanced techniques to ensure your home is not just clean but safe and healthy. So why wait? Call us today and transform your home into the sanctuary you deserve. Because a cleaner home isn't just about cleanliness, it's about peace of mind. Ready to make the change? Contact us now and experience cleaning services like never before. Your home will thank you.